Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. This is Murli Dharan reporting from Lodi Garden. A very special behavior of grey hornbill and a pied hornbill male birds have been noticed in Lodi Garden recently, and it's a very unique behavior where two birds, hornbill of different uh, breed, and are coming and parenting together, which is very unique. You can see the pied hornbill, which usually found in the Himalayan valley and is not commonly seen in Delhi, but it was very exciting to see this bird in Delhi in Lodi Garden and feeding the chicks of the grey hornbill. And whenever the grey hornbill comes to feed its chicks, the pied hornbill is chasing it away, and there is uh, people are speculating that uh, the pied hornbill is feeding the chicks. Maybe he can prey upon them. But it's very interesting, and the study is going on. I hope you like my video. It's a unique behavior of the birds, especially the grey hornbill and the pied hornbill.